Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm here at the at the Village. This is the Village, but I'm here at two of the communities that are two of my favorites. So they both have gates, so that makes them more popular. They're gated, so to me, a bit safer. You see two communities here. You see Upper East Side, and then you see Northbridge. So the Upper East Side is over here. This is a newer one. And you know, it's a real pretty little bridge over there. And then the Northbridge is over here. So we're actually going to see an opening in each one. And we see the two-bedroom model, and we're going to go through there and see it. It should be really cool. But I just wanted you to see the gates and why people choose the Upper East Side or the Northbridge, just because of the safety aspects with the gate. That's the open road there, by the way. This is approximately, I would say, 10 to 11 minutes walk, and you'll get to the main amenities that we saw that are down the street in the main section. So anyway, this is what this looks like. Now we're about to go see the Upper East Side. Let's go see that. If you have any questions at any time, or if you want a virtual tour of something that's available here at the Upper East Side, send me a text. Hey, it's easy to do a virtual tour and it's live. We'll take care of you, and I'll get you that virtual tour, and it's 100% free.